There's a bunch of them out there. Look. Oh, manatee right there. So we're here at Manatee State Park, and although it's called Manatee State Park, you can't always be sure that you're going to get manatees. And there's two of them right in front of us, and then just these huge, what I think are carp, but I obviously could be wrong. He's got his head like way up in the air now. Hi.
This is the tropical storm that we have found ourselves in. And Gale is, we were parked underneath some big trees, and we've decided to get out in the open where trees can't really hit us.
Right, yeah.
We decided tonight to walk over the bridge that connects Sarasota with Lido Beach, and it's breathtaking, really pretty. We're just looking for hammerhead sharks. They say that underneath there's all these hammerhead sharks, but I want to be up here seeing them, and that's about it. So
But we handle it.
found this nose. I don't know. Oh, hey, how you doing? It's just trying to, you know.
You ain't gonna believe this, but the guy that did the taxidermy.
What do you want? What do you want? You're trying to. I don't know what you're trying to. So if you ever wonder what, you know, leopards eat, apparently anything they want to is what. Oh, there's a bear. There's a bear. This is crazy, this place that we have encountered. Look at this. That's Kevin and Rita. This is the story of my wife. She stops every stranger with the dog. She's been sitting there playing with that dog for 10 minutes at least. She has to pet every dog.
Yeah.
Everybody thinks she's a boy. I got pink collar on.
Right?
Over in the glory land, they're singing God's praise and glory shine. Over in the glory land, just over in the glory land,
You're not meditating my very ugly, dirty shawl, are you?
No.
Yeah.
Quit on me. He didn't give up on me. He saw hope in me. He saw a future in me. And he saw that I was worthwhile. I was worth something. I had value to me. So he spent the time of elbow greasing, getting it, taking out the old, putting in the new. So I wrote this last verse. I'm withered and worn, tattered and torn from the miles and the years. My heart was jaded, my mind was faded, I shed a lot of tears. Well, the scars and the pain and the guilt and shame showed who I used to be. Come on! Well, I may look